Repairing a loose Hermes logo might be more difficult than you'd expect. Because the logo is fully enclosed between leather layers for a cleaner finish, that means you also have to take everything apart to access the logo itself. Stitching lines are marked for future assembly, and then solvents are applied to the edges to carefully dissolve the glue. Once the logo is screwed back in, it is now covered by another piece of fabric that reduces the profile of the logo, and then everything else is glued together and then re-stitched. The edge painting process is repeated once again, and after that the repair is finally done.